Hello everyone. In this class we will discuss some selective questions from Indian polity, or we can say the Constitution of India. Okay, so let's start. Our first question is, which one of the following is not an essential element of a federal form of government? Options are written constitution, independent judiciary, division of power, separation of powers. So the correct answer is separation of powers. Okay. Separation of power is not an essential element of a federal form of government, but written constitution, independent judiciary, and division of power have to be there. Okay. Now coming to second question. 42nd Amendment of the Constitution of India was made during the period of which one of the following Prime Minister? Options are Lal Bahadur Shastri, Morarji Desai, Indira Gandhi, Chaudhry Charan Singh. Okay. The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Okay. It was during her tenure the 42nd Amendment of the Constitution was brought. Okay. It was in when? It was in 1976. Okay. 42nd Amendment of the Constitution. It is also called mini Constitution because many provisions and acts were amended in that amendment. Okay. It was during emergency. Now, question number third. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for uniform civil code for the citizens? Again, this is an important question. Many times this question is asked in many exams. Okay. Uniform civil code is in article 54. You have to remember this. Okay. This is the most important article. Now, question number 4. Which one of the following amendments of the Constitution clearly laid down that the residents of India are bound to accept the advice given by the Council of Ministers? Okay. So it is asking which amendment laid down the President of India. It's not President of India. It is President of India. Okay. It is President of India. It is asking which amendment of Constitution laid down that President of India has to accept the advice given by Council of Ministers. The correct answer is C. 42nd. Okay. In this amendment, it was made compulsory for the President of India to bound by the advice of Council of Ministers. Now coming to question number 5. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the right to constitutional remedies? Right to constitutional remedies. Which article? It is in Article 32. Okay. What is Article 21? Right to life and personal liberty. Article 14. Equality before law. Okay. Now, question number 6. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with center-state financial relation? Which part? It is center-state financial relation is in which part? It is in part 12. Okay. C is the correct answer. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? Options are J.L. Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi. Who was the chairman? B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. Okay. This is also an important question. This question is asked in many exams. Okay. Now question number 8. In the Constitution of India, the term federal appears in where? Where the term federal appears in our Constitution? Answer is none of the above. It is not mentioned anywhere. Okay. Nowhere it is mentioned in our Constitution. Coming to question number 9. Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the financial provision? Financial provision. Okay. Which article? It is Article 360, financial emergency. Article 360 is financial emergency. Okay. Now question number 10. According to the Constitution of India, the right to equality does not include, options are equality before law, absolute equality, equality of opportunity, abolition of untouchability. Okay. So the question asking, in our constitution, the right to equality does not include what? It includes equality before law. Yes. Yes, it includes equality before law. Equality of opportunity. Yes, it also includes abolition of untouchability. Article 17 also is there. So correct answer is absolute equality. Okay, it is not in our constitution. Equality does not include absolute equality. There are some restrictions to our. Okay. Now question number 11. The form of oath. The form of oath of office for the minister for the Union of India is enshrined in the which schedule? First schedule, second schedule, third schedule, fourth schedule. It is in third schedule. Okay. Oath of ministers, presidents, emoluments, these are in third schedule. Okay. Now coming to question number 12. By which constitutional amendment Article 31C was added to the Indian Constitution? It was in 25th Amendment. Okay, 25th Amendment is correct answer. And what was Article 31? Article 31 was right to property, but it was repealed and made a legal right. Okay. Now question number 13. In which schedule of the Indian Constitution powers of panchayat are stated? In which schedule? It is in 11th schedule. Okay, 11th schedule. Provisions of panchayats are there. And in 12th schedule, what is that? It is about municipality. Sorry. Then question number 14. The mention of the word justice in the preamble to the Constitution of India express which justice? In preamble, there are social, economic, and political justice. Okay, this is the correct answer. Question number 15. How many members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution of India? How many members? There were 274 members. Okay. In which year the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 was assented by the President? It was in the year 1993. Okay. Then question number 17. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution deals with the citizenship in India? You all know it is Article 5 to 11. It deals with citizenship. Okay. Then question number 18. According to the Constitution of India, which one of the following rights cannot be taken away during emergency? Options are right to speak, right to freedom of movement, right to life, right to organize. Okay. So during emergency, right to life cannot be taken away. Okay. Everything else can be restricted. Question number 19. Under which article the Parliament provides financial assistance to states? It is under Article 275. Okay. Which one of the following amendment had reduced the age of the voters from 21 years to 18 years? It was in 61st Amendment Act. Okay. It was in 61st Amendment Act. It was came in 1988. Okay. And they amended the Article 326. Question number 21. Which constitutional amendment provides constitutional status to panchayti raj system in India? Easy question. This is 73rd. This is 73rd Amendment Act. Okay. Now next question. Which of the following schedules deals with the division of powers between union and states? It is in 7th schedule. Okay, division of power is in 7th schedule. Indian federal structure is inspired by which model of the countries below? It is inspired by the model of Canada. Okay, Canada is the correct answer. Concept of welfare state in Indian Constitution is included in options are fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, citizenship, provision of election commission. So concept of welfare state is in where? It is in DPSP. Okay, directive principle of state policy 24B. 25. In which year fundamental duties were included in the Indian Constitution? It was in 1976. Okay, fundamental duties were included. Firstly, it included 10 fundamental duties, then later one more fundamental duty was added to the list. Question number 26. In which case the Supreme Court evolved the concept of basic structure of Constitution? Options are Golaknath case, Shankari Prasad case, Krishnananda Bharati case, or Minerva Mills case. The correct answer is Keswananda Bharati case. Okay, this was the landmark judgment in where basic structure of the Constitution concept was evolved. Now coming to question number 27. Under which article the President of India can be removed by the process of impeachment? Impeachment of President is in Article 61. Okay, this is an important article. Under which of the constitutional provision the Supreme Court of India extends advice to the President of India? It is under Article 143. Okay, Article 143. The President of India tenders, Supreme Court of India extends advice to the President of India. Question number 29. Under which article the Parliament of India can legislate on any subject in the state list in national interest? It is under Article 249. What is the main difference between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy? The options are constitutional protection, political protection, judicial protection, moral protection. Correct answer is judicial protection. Okay, because directive principles are not justiciable. Coming to question number 31. Under which article the Parliament of India may constitute administrative tribunals? So we know administrative tribunals are in Article 323A. Which of the following articles deals with the impeachment process against the President of India? This question got repeated. Okay, it is under Article 61. India has borrowed the concept of fundamental rights from the Constitution of which country? Fundamental rights. Okay, fundamental rights are borrowed from where? It is from USA. By which amendment of the Constitution the word socialist was incorporated in the Preamble of the Constitution? It was in 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Question number 35. The permanent president of Constituent Assembly was? Who was the permanent president? Okay, permanent president was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which one of the following rights has been described by Dr. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Heart and soul of the Constitution. It is right to constitutional remedies. Okay, this is the correct answer. It is described as heart and soul of Constitution by Dr. Ambedkar. 47. By which act federation was introduced in India? It was in Cabinet Mission 1946. Which of the following is not provided for by the Constitution of India? Election Commission, Finance Commission, Public Service Commission, or Planning Commission? We all know these three are constitutional body. Okay, Planning Commission is not provided in Constitution. Which article of Indian Constitution is related with the protection of the interest of the minorities? It is Article 30. Okay, protection of minorities. Then, sorry. It is in Article 29. Article 29 is the protection of minorities. Question number 40. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution is related to panchayti raj? The provisions related to panchayti raj are in 11th schedule. Okay. So these were 40 questions from Polity. We have also covered MCQs from Geography of India and also current affairs. For that, visit the channel. Thank you.